Officer Neil Davidson, the second worst cop from Slow PD, but who's counting? Davidson should not be a cop. In my first encounter with him, he became so emotional about me documenting the scene that he used his flashlight to try and stop me.
We helped him. We're waiting.
Good. I'm not stopping.
Then turn that off.
No.
I'm just curious why
I'm documenting this whole thing.
Why are you filming right now?
You're gonna really report medical?
Yeah. That's what I'm doing right now. I've had numerous encounters with Neil over the years, and none of them have been good. He's threatened me for speaking during his traffic stops more than once.
You mind just staying quiet for us while I go through this process?
Well, you know, everyone has the freedom of speech, man.
Absolutely.
They can speak freely.
Don't speak to
I'm
me.
not talking to anybody. They could, you know, all you gotta do is breathalyzer. Okay. I could say that all I want, you know?
Okay. Well, if you're gonna keep talking, I'm gonna keep asking you to back up again.
You can keep asking all you want, man. And you're not required to do any tests, by the way, except for a breathalyzer. Except for a breathalyzer. You do not have to take any.
Told several times.
You do not. Yeah, these are not required at all. You don't have to do these.
I don't have to do.
No.
Got you. These are just to help me determine if you were and impaired in such a manner. I will tell you that before you decide.
Hey, Gabriel.
Hey. But his go-to intimidation tactic was to shine his lights at my camera, hence the name Light Cop. He even has his own emoji. Then, in January of 2023, I was recording at least 30 feet away, and he does this. Didn't help at all. That's a complaint for Davidson. Davidson's getting a complaint. He completely abandons his duties on scene so he could follow me around with his spotlight for the sole purpose of obstructing my documentation of the scene. So I filed a complaint a few days later. It was certified received on January 30th, 2023. I continued to document him while I waited for a response to my complaint. You're not gonna try to blind me tonight?
No, I'm good.
Alright. He continued to be an asshole, but he never shined another flashlight in my direction again. Around January 2024, I finally received a response about my complaint. What do you think they said? We looked at some body cam footage and found no evidence to support your accusations. Really? I can't tell if they're saying that he never shined his lights at me or that they didn't have a problem with it. Either way, it's a typical response if anyone complains about their gang. Once again, this shows exactly how serious Slow PD takes complaints. This complaint should have been cut and dried in a few days or weeks. Instead, they took an entire year to show me how biased they are. In all fairness, if they had acknowledged his wrongdoing, it would have set up a lawsuit in my favor. If you feel like they made the wrong decision or missed some crucial evidence, I recommend calling or emailing either Rick Scott or Chad Farr about your concerns. I'll leave their public contact info in the description. Thanks for watching, more to come.